how to find transaction ID on Cash App. So this is very easy. All we need to do is click on the clock icon here in the bottom right, so we view our transactions. And then if you want to find a specific transaction ID, what you have to do is here just find the transaction for which you want to get the ID. So this one, click on it, and it's gonna appear like this. All we have to do is we have to click on the three dots, and then here this is going to be the identifier or the transaction ID. So this is the number, the specific number for this transaction, and that's basically your transaction ID on Cash App. That's how you do it. Another way of how you can do this is if we go here to our profile, scroll down, and we go into documents, then we'll go into statements and account statements here. If we choose the month where when the transaction occurred, it's going to prepare a statement here, and you should be able to see the transaction ID here as well under transactions. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.